Hey, what's up guys? So time for a Dashcam giveaway. I've got a lot of dash cams that I've used previously in videos, in testing, and in running myself that I no longer need, and I'd like to pass on to you guys so we can put them to good use and make sure they can continue doing what they're supposed to do, which is basically keeping us all safe and protected. And looking over the whole lineup of dash cams here, they're gonna be in a variety of different conditions. Some of them used to be my daily drivers. Others are basically brand new. Then there's some that are kind of somewhere in between where I used them for a little bit for testing, but then otherwise just stuck them in the box and then popped them back in the closet. And if we take a look at the lineup here, we've got a bunch of different VFO dash cams. We've got some high-end ones, we've got some mid-range ones, we've got some older ones. There's gonna be some accessories tossed in for like hardwire cables and polarizers and whatnot. I've also got two different Thinkware U1000s, Blue Sea Sky camera, a couple different generations of the Blackview dash cams, some of the LTE modules, as well as a Neoline dash cam. Now these are used dash cams, of course, so for some of these, you may need to like replace the tape on the different mounts. They should come with some extras in the box. You might need to pick up a memory card, things like that, but they should all be working just fine otherwise. Now, in order to enter the giveaway, you're gonna wanna head on over to my website where I've got an entry form where you've got a bunch of different ways to enter. You can subscribe to me on YouTube, of course, you can follow me on social media, etc. You're also going to see an option there to fill out your email address, and that's the only way that I'm going to be reaching out to the different winners. I'm not going to be spamming anybody or anything. It's literally just to let the winners know that you've won and to get your shipping address and whatnot. Speaking of which, it's also important to note that there tend to be a lot of scammers on these different giveaway videos, and what they like to do is down in the comments of the YouTube video, for example, they'll pretend to be me, maybe copying my avatar or something, and they'll be like, hey, congratulations, you won. Reach out to me on WhatsApp or Telegram or something. And then they'll try to get you to send them money, maybe to cover the cost of shipping or something. So for reference, I will not be reaching out to anybody in the YouTube comments to let you know you've won. I'm not gonna be sending you over to WhatsApp or Telegram or anywhere else. The only way I'm gonna be reaching out to you is via the email address that you provide on the giveaway form. I'm also not gonna be asking you to pay for anything, including shipping. It's completely free. And if you win, I'm gonna be shipping it out at my cost. And so if you wanna enter, again, head on over to the giveaway form, and good luck to everybody. I got 14 dash cams to give away. And so it should give you guys a lot of opportunities to win. Thanks so much for following me. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.